Amazon must-have best beauty secrets, tips, and tricks. This Glow Cube ice roller is the best beauty secret to get rid of puffy eyes. First, fill it up with water and leave it in the freezer until it's frozen. This Amazon must-have beauty secret is also a beauty trick to remove inflammation around breakouts, and it helps to tighten your skin and shrink your pores. Amazon must-have linked below. Here's a beauty tip and trick. Use these beauty spatulas to get every last drop of product out of your lotion bottles, foundation, shampoo, conditioner, and so much more. They come in a pack of 9 and range from 6 to 12 inches long, so they fit in almost any container. The best Amazon must-have beauty trick linked below. This is the best beauty secret on how to clean your makeup brushes fast and easy. This Amazon must-have brush cleaning solution cuts your brush cleaning time in half. It's rinse-free so you don't need any water, and it's quick drying so you don't have to wait hours for it to dry before using your brushes again. Beauty secret tip and trick: a little solution goes a long way. A lot of people make the mistake by dipping the entire brush into the solution, and that will actually ruin the glue on your brush, so don't do that. You only need a really small amount of solution to clean your makeup brush. Dip the very tip of the dirty brush into the solution and wipe clean on a towel. This stuff is amazing to clean your makeup brushes. Tons of professional makeup artists recommend it and use it daily. Amazon must-have beauty secrets linked below. That was fast. But here is some more Jolly Goodies to watch. And make sure you subscribe to my channel so you never miss a deal.